Hey guys, remember Lemonheads? This is Melonhead. Perfetto Realty Group. We're at it again. Hot Sunday afternoon. Deep in the confines of Fayetteville. That's right. Not far from the Fayetteville State Blue Broncos. Yes, blue. They have a blue field on their football field. Look it up. It's true. We're out here showing a house. A lovely ranch, all brick. Super nice. This has a lot of nice touches. Fresh paint. It's got gutters, nice shutters, gutters and shutters. It's got some nice touches on the porch with the wrought iron rails. We have a carport here that leads directly to an amazing backyard. Let me get to that quick for you. Amazing backyard. It's a half an acre. It's a 3-2. It's 1,700 square feet. And we've got a shed workshop in the back. A beautiful maple tree here. Beautiful. Huge. There's a Japanese maple over there. This thing has got to be 50 years old, 60. The house was built in 67. So that would make it about 55 years old. Super nice. Swing sets. We've got seating areas. We've got bird feeders. Really nice. Let's go inside. Let's go into the mud room. Utility room. No squeaky doors. Fresh paint throughout. We've got updated kitchen with, again, my favorite, the farmhouse style sink. We've got some scalloping. I guess kind of gives you the 1968 feel if you're into that thing. We've got some high chair rails. This is the dining room. Lovely. We've got some, again, high floorboards. We like those. Natural, real wood, real oak wood flooring. Very nice. We've got some, we're in the front of the house now. This is the coat room, coat closet. This is the alternate living room. This would be living room A. Beautiful fireplace with, this is gas. We've got natural gas in here. We have, no, that would be propane. We have some inserts. We actually have an intercom in here. How cool is that? That's a blast from the past. This is bedroom 1. Nice, cozy. This is the main bathroom. I'll call it that. It's not the master, but it is a little bigger. So nice, nicely done, cleaned up. Fresh paint on the tile. Very well done. We've got some closets here. We've got the thermostat. Bedroom 2, very nice for the older siblings or, 2 or 3 of your dogs. Just kidding. Master suite. Again, high chair rails looking out into the beautiful backyard. And again, the master bath, which is a stand-up, and everything is fresh in here. Again, all freshly painted cabinetry and tile work. So if you guys are ready to come out, we are in Fayetteville, and I need to get that address again before my time runs out. Fayetteville on, what road are we on? We are on 231 Truman Drive, Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're here on Sunday from 1 to 4. Go Blue Broncos.